Experiencing problems with your Spectrum Mobile SIM card? This section will guide you through common issues and solutions. First, ensure your device is compatible and unlocked for GSM networks. If your SIM isn't activating, double-check your IMEI to ensure it's not blacklisted. For new activations, remember the 48-hour activation window. If issues persist, verify your APN settings. Spectrum's APN is Internet or vInternet for Verizon-based. MMS settings include mms.vtex.com/servlet/mms. Incorrect APN settings often lead to no data connectivity. Reset your APN via your device settings or Spectrum support site. Try a soft reset by restarting your device and toggling airplane mode. If the problem continues, check for software updates. According to J.D. Power's 2025 U.S. Wireless Network Quality Study, Spectrum ranks third in SIM-related satisfaction, resolving 85% of issues in under 24 hours. Spectrum rolled out an AI-powered troubleshooting tool that has reduced resolution times by 40%. If troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, a SIM replacement might be necessary. You can request a replacement via the Spectrum app or website. The first replacement is free, but subsequent ones cost $10. For physical SIMs, you'll need to ship the old one back and activate the new one. If you have an eSIM, the process is faster. Delete and reactivate via a QR code. Replacement success rate for physical SIMs is 92%, while it's 98% for eSIMs, according to Spectrum's Q3 2025 data. Spectrum is seeing a shift towards eSIM adoption, with a 25% adoption rate in 2025. Tech analyst Craig Moffett predicts AI will revolutionize fixes by 2027. By 2030, expect fully virtual SIM management via cloud-based profiles. If you have concerns about eSIM security, enable two-factor authentication. Spectrum's CTO has stated they are seeing a 45% drop in support tickets via AI, aiming to make SIM issues a thing of the past.